I'm thrilled to share my in-depth review of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, a phone that I've been using as my primary device for the past week. After putting it through its paces, testing its performance, battery life, camera, and speakers, I can confidently say that this phone has impressed me in many ways. So, without further ado, let's dive into the review. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. This phone is a true testament to Vivo's engineering prowess. It's lightweight and slim, which makes it incredibly comfortable to hold and use. One of the standout features of this device is its IPX rating, which means it's protected against water ingress. So, whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally splash some water on it, you can rest assured that your phone will be just fine. One of the most impressive aspects of the design is the hinge mechanism. The hinges are very slim and sturdy, giving the phone a sleek look while ensuring durability. I've been opening and closing the phone multiple times a day, and it still feels as smooth as the first time. The crease in the center of the foldable screen is there, but it's much less pronounced compared to what you'd find on Samsung's foldable phones. This makes for a more pleasant viewing experience overall. The phone also features dual fingerprint sensors, one on the outside and one on the inside. Both sensors are incredibly fast and accurate, providing a seamless unlocking experience. The placement of these sensors is well thought out, making it easy to unlock the phone no matter how you're holding it. Display and multitasking. Next, let's discuss the display and multitasking capabilities of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The phone boasts a high-quality display that opens up fully to 180 degrees. This design choice not only enhances the overall aesthetic of the phone but also provides a significant functional advantage. The display quality is top-notch, with vibrant colors and sharp details making everything from watching videos to reading articles a joy. The larger inner screen is perfect for multitasking. You can easily run two apps side by side, thanks to the seamless split-screen functionality. This feature is especially useful if you need to refer to one app while working on another, like reading an article while taking notes. What's more, Vivo has optimized the software to ensure that all apps scale properly on the larger screen. This is a significant improvement over some other foldable phones, where app scaling can be hit or miss. Whether you're browsing the web, watching a video, or using social media apps, everything looks great on this screen. Camera system. Now, let's move on to the camera system, which is undoubtedly one of the standout features of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The phone comes equipped with a versatile camera setup that includes a 3x periscope zoom and a 10x hybrid zoom. While it doesn't offer a 5x optical zoom like some other high-end phones, the camera performance is still impressive. The camera bump is present but not as pronounced as you might find on other devices like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This makes the phone easier to handle and less prone to wobbling when placed on a flat surface. I've taken numerous photos with this phone, and the quality is consistently excellent. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the dynamic range is impressive. Whether you're taking photos in bright daylight or in low-light conditions, the camera performs admirably. One of the highlights is the dedicated periscope zoom, which allows you to get closer to your subject without losing much detail. The hybrid zoom extends this capability, giving you even more flexibility when framing your shots. Performance and battery life. Performance is another area where the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro excels. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 16GB of RAM. This combination ensures that the phone can handle anything you throw at it with ease. From multitasking to gaming, the phone performs smoothly without any noticeable lag or stutter. During my week of use, I've put the phone through various performance tests, and it has consistently impressed me. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is seamless. Even demanding games run smoothly, thanks to the powerful hardware and optimized software. Battery life is another strong point of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The phone is equipped with a 5700 mAh battery, which provides a solid 7 to 8 hours of screen-on time. This is particularly impressive for a foldable phone, as they tend to consume more power due to their larger screens and complex mechanisms. I've used the phone extensively throughout the day, from browsing the web and social media to watching videos and playing games, and the battery has held up remarkably well. Even with heavy use, I haven't had to reach for the charger before the end of the day. Software and connectivity. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro runs on Android 14, and Vivo has done a great job optimizing the software for this device. The user interface is smooth and responsive, and all the apps I've tested work flawlessly. However, there are a couple of caveats to keep in mind. Firstly, the phone does not support Android Auto, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Additionally, connecting the phone to Google Wear or other smartwatches can be a bit of a hassle. These limitations are primarily due to the Chinese ROM that the phone runs on. Despite these issues, all other aspects of the software experience are positive. Notifications come through reliably, and all my apps, from Instagram to productivity tools, have worked without any issues. The optimization for the larger foldable screen is particularly impressive, with apps scaling properly and making good use of the available real estate. One of the features I appreciate is the ability to run apps in split-screen mode. This is particularly useful for multitasking, as it allows you to have two apps open side by side. Whether you're responding to emails while watching a video or browsing the web while taking notes, the split-screen functionality makes it easy to stay productive. Speaker quality. Let's talk about the speakers. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro comes with stereo speakers, one at the bottom and one at the top. This setup provides a rich and immersive audio experience, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or listening to music. The speakers are loud and clear, with a good balance of highs, mids, and lows. I've tested them with various types of content, and the audio quality has been consistently impressive. Whether it's the bass in music tracks or the dialogue in movies, everything sounds great on this phone. One of the advantages of having stereo speakers is that it enhances the overall multimedia experience. Watching videos or playing games feels more immersive, as the sound seems to come from all around you. This is particularly noticeable when you're using the phone in landscape mode, as the stereo effect becomes more pronounced. Multitasking and productivity features. One of the best things about using a foldable phone like the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is the enhanced multitasking capabilities. Vivo has implemented several features that make it easy to stay productive on the go. For instance, you can easily run two apps side by side in split-screen mode. This is perfect for tasks that require multitasking, such as researching while taking notes, or watching a video while browsing the web. The split-screen functionality is easy to activate. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen and select the apps you want to run side by side. Another useful feature is the ability to save app pairs. If you frequently use the same combination of apps, you can save them as a pair and launch them together with a single tap. This saves time and makes it easier to switch between different tasks. The larger inner screen also makes it easier to read articles, view documents, and work on spreadsheets. The increased screen real estate provides more room for content, making it easier to see everything at a glance. This is particularly useful for productivity apps, as it allows you to work more efficiently without constantly switching between different views. User experience and practicality. Overall, the user experience on the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is outstanding. The combination of high-quality hardware and well-optimized software makes for a smooth and enjoyable experience. The phone feels premium in every way, from the build quality to the performance and features. One of the concerns with foldable phones is their practicality, but the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro addresses many of these concerns effectively. The phone is lightweight and slim, making it easy to carry around. The foldable design also means that you get the best of both worlds: a compact device that's easy to hold and a larger screen when you need it. The battery life is impressive, especially considering the power-hungry nature of foldable phones. The 5700 mAh battery ensures that you can use the phone all day without worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to charge it, the fast charging support ensures that you can get back up and running quickly. The dual fingerprint sensors are another practical feature that enhances the overall user experience. Whether you're using the phone folded or unfolded, you can easily unlock it with a quick tap. The sensors are fast and accurate, providing a seamless unlocking experience. To wrap up, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is an impressive device that stands out in the crowded foldable phone market. It combines a sleek design, robust build quality, and powerful performance with a range of features that enhance productivity and user experience. The display is stunning, the camera system is versatile and high quality, and the battery life is excellent. The software is well optimized, with useful multitasking features that make the most of the foldable form factor. Despite a few limitations, such as the lack of Android Auto support and some connectivity issues with smartwatches, the overall experience is overwhelmingly positive. If you're in the market for a foldable phone and are considering whether to stick with a traditional candy bar style phone or make the switch, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro makes a compelling case. It offers the benefits of a larger screen for multitasking and media consumption without sacrificing the practicality of a compact device. So, that's it for this review. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and stay safe.